Morning YouTube. It's traveling Olakwani from CFX Olakwani Capital. At the moment we're looking at the dollar chart, and we're looking at it on the daily. This chart, we have had a nice rally in the beginning and the last couple of months of the year. Beginning of the year we kind of had a slight pullback, but now we are busy putting in a new bottom with new higher lows. We are having a pullback today, and most likely gonna be having a breakout of this area later this week or to maybe next week, as we see our moving averages are kind of going sideways as we are in a consolidation, but we are looking to maybe see this market go above this area, the 150, the 140 level, which is not that far away. This is, if you check the weekly, we are basically forming a pattern which we call accumulation on this chart, as we are tightening from left to right and the moving averages are consolidating, getting ready for a breakout to possibly around there to prior highs, but we expect some resistance at 107. If we took a look at Japanese yen, if we just do this, we currently have resistance at this prior highs, and we are hoping to break out of this ascending triangle and take maybe up to at this level over here, as the dollar is still have some upside and some further weakness. Most likely this chart is going to be going up to this side. If we drill down deeper into the time frames and we go to the daily, you see some sort of a flag type pendant pattern happening, starting at this low, going up, and then having a slight consolidation going from left to right. Will be a breakout happening to possible highs. I have took a copy of this line and then projected it out for a possible upside target of 156, stop at 150, as this is the level of support that some traders have stepped in, and now we are using this support to trade from. As we said, we are waiting for this pullback to complete and then get a break to new highs. If we get the break to new highs, we are looking just to add to more positions, maybe around this level, as we have found some prior resistance from looking back at the charts, we can see some further upsides maybe, which we may come into resistance. If we look at the another trade that we also have on, it's on the oil chart, on the daily. It's more or less the same. We are buying a more sort of a pendant. This one is not as neat as the dollar yen, but we have had a breakout out of this level. We have been watching it from this point. I wanted to buy it here, but then as the moving averages were about to cross, we weren't sure if it was going to hold. But then getting above this key level, psychological $80 level, is a good thing, as we have seen it literally used it as a support. And if we break below this area, we are stopped out. For the same way, let's project out maybe a possible target that we can reach with this trade. If we use this as a guide and then copy it, we might, let's say, being conservative, this one might be projected to reach a target of something like $80.70, what I stopped at prior support, looking to carry this market until this level. Yeah, as the moving averages have crossed over, we are in a clear uptrend. If you look at the weekly, we are floating also some sort of accumulation pattern, with the moving average going sideways, and we're having some higher lows, as we looked at on the dollar yen and at the dollar index chart. It's kind of a similar idea. If we look back, we might find some resistance at the firstly $90, $90. We might find some resistance and for the upside, but we'll keep up to date with that as we go along. For your short sellers out there, we are looking at natural gas for maybe a possible quick scalp, as natural gas is at all-time lows, with a possible maybe a couple of cents in it, as a quick scalp for any one of you guys out there who wants just to get something there. But with selling short, you never know. But then we have an order on this, but I'll show you guys currently. But then I'm also looking for this to maybe also break below this market, because now all of this area is like giving us some support, like, yo, the market has turned around. And at this point, past the 150 there, drillers don't make no more money, so they stop drilling, so supply tends to dry up at this level. If we go down to the weekly, no, let's say the daily, yes, and we look at this, I'm also inclined to buy this, but the strategy that I'm employing says that I should be selling it. If it was up here, would have been a nice trade. But then now at current levels, if we bring up the order that we have put, we basically have nothing in this, so we might delete this order, but also we might see this go lower still. Might see it go lower still, but yet we haven't been seeing it go any lower since this point. So what I'm looking for, what I'm basically thinking might happen is we find support at this double bottom, we break above this $2 level, and maybe look to buy it going up. But then that's all for me today, guys. Kind of a longer video today. Stay tuned for more on the other trades that we are taking that are live and running. Yeah, we'll see how they go and how they plan out. Let me just get some thumbnails. Let the trend be with you guys, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.